I'm Abe Chan of Avinta Communications. Today I'd like to describe to you a few simple steps to establish SOHO or residential networking. This is a simple step that we can utilize commonly available facilities around our premises. And to make it simple, we will start using the phone lines as our example. Every premises is serviced by a telephone line from the telephone company. Then it reaches individual rooms. In this diagram, we show two rooms, room 82 and room 61. In room 82, we have a control box called VM100 made by Avinta. It provides the PABX functionality to the phone behind it by utilizing rotary dial switches that can be programmed to represent room 82 as if it's extension 82. In room 61, we have similar setup, except instead of external VM100, we have built that functionality inside this phone, so we call it enhanced telephone. It has the extension number 61 programmed in, representing room 61. To call each other, basically you pick up one of those phones, dial pound 82 for this phone. Then the two are established and we can communicate. Now I will demonstrate this particular step. Now let's start with picking up line 1, dial pound 61. It rings the phone in room 61. We can answer. I pick up the phone. You can hear the connection. I'll put them on hold for now. This completes the first step of verifying that the two rooms are connected with communication. We'll go on to the next step, which is utilizing broadband to establish same kind of communication. We superimpose over the wiring we used before with ABRs, Avinta Broadband Router. Basically, it is Ethernet router utilizing home PN3 as the transmission media. It has the address assignment mechanism very much the same as the VM100. We put rotary dials on these routers so that it can take room number as its last number of the IP address. This ABR in room 82 is called 192.168.0.92. This ABR in room 61 is called 192.168.0.61. The third number 0 represents the ABR itself. Behind it, we have analog telephone adapters, which translates analog telephony into Ethernet and then through the home PA to transmit across the network. By utilizing this, line 2 of the phone in this room can call line 2 of the phone in this room. The calling process is very much the same as what we did with the first line, except because this is a full IP address, so when we dial, we need to dial the whole sequence. And instead of dialing the decimal dots, we'll use the star on the keypad to do so. For example, to call room 61, we'll dial 192 star 168 star 1 star 61 and end with a pound sign. And then we will ring this phone and then we can establish the connection. Now I will show this operation. I pick up line 2, I'll dial 192 star 168 star. And I'll dial room 1, so 1 star 61, end with a pound. That phone rings, and I'll answer there, and you hear my voice cross there, and touch tone digit over. So now we have the second line established, and I put this on hold. What we have done so far is to establish voice communication between two rooms, both through analog narrowband and digital broadband. Now I would like to show you what we have used as a collection of the components. By putting all the components we have used up to now into the phone enclosures, we will end up with a very clean and neat package. That is, each one of them will have simple connection to the phone jack on the wall through a regular RJ11 type of cabling. On the user side, we will have the standard handset and dial keypad type arrangement. But inside, we have two-line capability. One is analog, one is broadband. And the overall functionality is very useful. First of all, picking up line 1, when you hear dial tone, you know the service from the telephone company is alive. By using line 1 to make an intercom call to the next room, we can verify that connectivity between the two rooms are established. Then we're going to line 2, make another call to the same room or any other room. We will find out that if the broadband service is over there. And these 3 steps are very intuitive, and this is why we call mom and pop friendly setup. And this is why we call this plant enhanced telephone set, and PABX for short, which represent the enhancement from the traditional plain old telephone sets. After all this is established as a network, the more bandwidth demanding services will be for video and so forth, and data communication. So we will show you how to utilize the additional broadband ports behind the ABR for that purpose. We will put PCs behind ABR, which will establish networking between them. And we can put additional DVD player, TV behind the ABR or any broadband related devices here, so that each one of them can function what intend to provide, yet they are not part of the network controlling nodes that if there's any problem, they are not the part of components that we need to worry about. For this demonstration, we'll show 2 PCs connected behind the 2 ABRs so that they are networked to each other, and one of the PC will try to play video file stored in the other, and I will operate demo for you. We'll start with going to my network places. Computers near me. We find the HP computer, which is that computer over there. Okay, the Vinta folder is what I'm looking for. And this is the video clip that I like to play. Okay, this is the part of video transmission between the 2 computers. This basically completes 3 steps of our demonstration. What we have gone through is 3 steps built up of a converged networking technique. We start with analog telephony and make a PABX functional. Built on top of that, we do digital broadband telephony to establish the broadband connectivity. Lastly, we finally use the full bandwidth for the video connection and transmission between nodes. And this is what we call TCI, telephony computer integration. By building this up step by step, we maintain the confidence level in all the users, and regardless the background. And this is why we call mom and pop friendly. We think this is the right solution for the future. We look forward to make this product available for everybody soon. Thank you.